Okay, so another update. I've reconfigured the train so I can make it longer, and I also added some more power. Check it out. We now have all three manufacturers represented in here now. Also, I made another discovery when I built this corner. It naturally has a bank to it, and I banked it some more, and I got too much elevation in the curve. Even when the cars are parked, they still lean. So I'm going to reevaluate the elevation and at least remove it and make it natural and see how it goes. And if I'm not satisfied, I may end up elevating the opposite side of the track, just because it's still a lot the way it's set up here. So yeah, see, I got the gondola cars on first, but you'll notice that rail box is leaning a bit. See? Yeah, it's really leaning. So I need to tweak that elevation slightly. You'll notice a few other cars as they go around, they lean a little bit. That Erie Lackawanna one and the one before it. So a little bit more tweaking and I think I'll have it. I did add some cars to this. Yeah, look at that chassis system. You can see that was leaning, and the grain cars a little bit. There's way too much elevation in the curve. So I'm going to tweak that possibly tonight. And I added cars to this train. We are up to 68 cars plus a caboose. So not bad. I'd like around 75, maybe 80, and I'd also like it so that I don't have to rearrange the train specifically to run long trains like I did for this particular one. So anyway, that's a layout update. I will be at the train show on Sunday in West Springfield. Anyway, thanks for looking.